dryers will just have 1, 2, 3. Some dryers will have an extra ground screw right here. You had a new dryer delivered to your house and it didn't put the pigtail on so you can plug it into the wall. So what do? Well, you have to take the old one off your old dryer and put it on the new dryer. Or if you just have a new pigtail, I'm going to show you the proper way to install that. I'm going to be using this all-purpose screwdriver. It's got a whole bunch of different things in it. That way you don't have to have a bunch of different screwdrivers and tools laying around. You just use this one. We're going to start off with a Phillips screwdriver head. Take off the cover. I'm going to zoom in here for a close-up so I can show you what's going on. Okay, so I found a screw that will fit right there, so we can put our extra ground right here, because the new code for wiring, you need 2 grounds, which that's another video. But in short, this white wire right here, this is a neutral. They also use it as a ground, but it's a neutral. And then one side will be hot and the other side will be hot. So now in hooking this up, first thing you want to do is go ahead and take care of the white one, because you can see where the white one goes. It goes right here with the white wire. So let's do that. Now try not to drop these screws, because if they do, they go down here in the bottom. Then you got to take the whole back of the dryer off to get to the screw. So try not to drop the screw. So what I do is I lace the screw through the hole of the cord so I don't drop it, and then I put it back in here and screw it in. Okay. Now we have 3 wires left. We have a green, a red, and a black. Green is always ground. We're going to wait on that one so it don't get in our way. Now we have to put on the red and the black. Now it doesn't matter if you put the red or the black on whichever side, but they go one on each side. So let's very carefully try to take these screws out without dropping them. And now I'm going to put it through the eye of the wire, and I'm going to put it right back on there. And then we're going to take the black wire, we're going to go over to this side. I'm going to put the screw in the wire like that, and put it in here. And then the green wire will go to the cabinet. For the green. Yes, I know I should have put it through here with a clip and everything, but I was basically showing you the wiring part. You do need to go through here. So that is how you hook the wires to a dryer properly, and it should work just fine. So you got the red, you got the white goes to the white in the middle, you got the black goes to there, and the ground goes to there. So that's how you hook up your pigtail to your dryer so you can plug it into the wall. Be safe doing it, and you guys have a great day, and I'll have another video for you soon. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.